Hello, 8th graders, and welcome to your second module for the third trimester 2020. In this module, we're going to be dealing with an issue that comes up for a lot of native Spanish speakers, and it's when you have to pronounce the sound S beside a consonant sound. So, for example, a lot of people will say spelling and smile and slow and stop and think it's correct. It's actually not. So what we're going to do is practice the sound before the consonant sound. So instead of saying spelling, you say spelling. And before we do that, please remember two important things. If you ever have any questions or any trouble uploading your work to the platform, please send it to itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. Do not send your work late with the excuse that you couldn't get it on the platform. You can always send it to my email. It must be english@gmail.com. Okay? And the second thing is that most of you, I am super proud of you because most of you are really advancing, and I can see the changes. I can hear the changes in your voice. And I want to encourage you that when I tell you the instructions for the introduction, please follow. So all I want you to say is, hello teacher, my name is Peterson, and then you start reading the words. Please do not give me any additional information or any additional introduction. Just go straight to the point. That's a guideline that I need you to follow, okay? If you don't follow it, you might lose points. And always remember, when you upload your work to the platform, be sure to go back and check my observations. That's when I tell you exactly which mistakes you made so that you can get better. But if you never check the observations, you might run the risk of making the same mistake over again. So let me share my screen with you so we can get started. So we're going to be dealing with words that begin with the letter S and have a consonant sound after them. Sometimes it can be challenging for native Spanish speakers to pronounce words that start with the letter S and are followed by a consonant sound. It takes practice and discipline, and I want you to know that you can do it. It can be done. It's not impossible. It just takes practice. So let's practice a little bit. Repeat after me. Sn, 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 sn. Sp, sp, sl, sl, st, st. And after you have done that, then you go into your list of words. Now that little practice of sound combination should not be on your audio. That's just for your benefit, so you can practice before you send me your audio. Now remember, read each word slowly and clearly. Don't be in a hurry. Don't think you have to speak quickly. You don't. I need to hear every sound, okay? And so your audio is gonna say, hello teacher, my name is Jimmy Jones. Number 1, specialized. Number 2, sleeplessness, and so on. So let's go. First one, number 1. And some of your words are a little longer because you're 8th graders. You got this. Specialized. Specialized. Number 2, sleeplessness. Sleeplessness. Number 3, slaughter. Slaughter. Sorry, my nose is a little itchy. Number 4, slender. Slender. Number 5, stack. Stack. Number 6, snack. Snack. Number 7, snatch. Snatch. Number 8, smack. Smack. Number 9, slave. Slave. Number 10, sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Let me do that one again. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Number 11, sleepwalking. Sleepwalking. Number 12, slip. Slip. Number 13, smooth. Smooth. Now pay attention to the TH at the end of the word. Smooth. Smooth. Make sure you do that. Smooth. Number 14, slap. Slap. Number 15, smile. Smile. Number 16, smuggler. Smuggler. Number 17, sniper, sniper. Number 18, stiff, stiff. Number 19, sneeze, sneeze. It's kind of like what I want to do right now. Sneeze. Number 20, snake, snake. Number 21, steroid, steroid. And number 22, structure, structure. Let's go over that list one more time. Remember, please practice before you start recording your audio. Please practice, okay? Please practice. Number 1, specialized. 2, sleeplessness. 3, slaughter. 4, slender. 5, stack. 6, snack. 7, snatch. 8, smack. 9, slave. 10, sledgehammer. 11, sleepwalking. 12, slip. 13, smooth. 14, slap. 15, smile. 16, smuggler. 17, sniper. 18, stiff. 19, sneeze. 20, snake. 21, steroid. 22, structure. I want to focus on a few of these words. For example, let's get number 3, slaughter, slaughter. Number 10, sledgehammer, sledgehammer. Number 11, sleepwalking, sleepwalking. Number 13, smooth, smooth. Number 19, sneeze. Get that z at the end, not sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. And that's it. Specialized, specialized. And that's it. I hope you have fun with this. Please practice before you start your recording. Don't be in a hurry. Speak slowly. You got this. Remember, focus on the S sound, on the st before you add the consonant to it. Sp, sm, sl. Focus on the S, and you're going to do this perfectly. So kids, remember, if you have any trouble uploading to the platform, or if you have any questions or any doubts, please send me an email. Don't just sit at home and make up these weird stories in your head about conspiracy. No conspiracy theories. Please email me at itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. And I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.